Hey, friends, fellow entrepreneurs, and future list builders. This is Ryan Nilsson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a very simple, beginner-friendly landing page inside of GetResponse that's designed to do one thing really well, and that is to collect leads and help your people take the next step with your one aligned affiliate offer. Now, first, if you don't yet have a GetResponse account, you can click the link in the description below this video and sign up completely for free for as long as you want or until you have 500 subscribers. When you reach that 500 subscribers, then you'll have to pay a monthly fee, and by the time you've done that, you won't be even bothered by paying any monthly fee because 500 subscribers will be earning you way more than that. Right now, all you need to do is sign up for your GetResponse account and log in. This is where we're going to build one simple landing page, one clear message, and one call to action. That's it. So let's get started. All right, everybody. I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen here, show you what happens when you go to getresponse.com and you're ready to log in. So all you have to do is put in your email and password credentials. And once you get inside, then it will look like this. I'll make this a little bit bigger. Now, I have two accounts. I have the old legacy version, and then I have this new account that I created earlier this year. And I have not upgraded. I'm on the free plan here. And so this is what it looks like. Now, in order for you to create a landing page, you need to go over here to this button called New, plus New. Just click on New, then scroll down. Let me just move my scroll down to Create Landing Page. All right, beautiful. Then you'll be taken here. Now, over the past 4 or 5 years, GetResponse has really transformed. Now they use a lot of AI to power all of the landing pages and this and that. But in order for you to use an AI powered builder, you have to upgrade. And in my opinion, it's no need to do that. Because I explored it and it feels like when you go in there, it's going to ask you a bunch of stuff. You answer the questions, and then when it gives you the output, then you're gonna know you're gonna need to go back in and make a lot of changes anyway. So it's better yet to just do it by yourself and use a blank tape template or start from scratch. Okay, so it gives you ideas of templates. So here are the pre-designed templates today as of this video. And there's some really cool ones in here. Now, I don't know what niche you're in, but if you are in the make money online niche like I am, I'm going to look for something really cool. I saw something earlier when I was going through this. I thought maybe it'd be kind of cool to use. Yeah, this one right here, this black car. Thought that was kind of cool. I'm going to preview it. And that's plain and simple. It's got a really nice image. And I like that because it really fits the make money online niche to me, but I'm not going to use that right now. What I want to do is just go ahead and look at some other ones. Another one would be cool, would be maybe this one, but I want you to think about if you see something in here that resonates with you, great. But what I prefer to do is just to start with a blank template. And this, I want to keep this simple. You've got some blank template ideas here. And what I'm looking for is something really simple. I like this one. Let's go ahead and check this one out. All right. And simpler is the better. Now, as you can see, if you have a website or if you have a place where you want to add a whole bunch of different things like your logo and you want to have some information, your idea, call to action, and this and that, tell people what you help them to do. That's great. But when it comes to high converting landing pages, you want to keep it super simple when you're doing an affiliate offer because you don't want people to get distracted with all this other stuff below. So with this, I'm going to start with deleting all the unnecessary stuff that I don't want. So right here. Okay, so as you can see, when I hover over each of these sections here, there's going to be this little blue thing on the right, and then down at the bottom is a trash can, and you just click that, delete that. Um, Go ahead and delete that. Delete that. We don't need that. We don't need any of this. And we don't need any of that. It's just extra fluff that's going to distract people from your offer. Just let go of that. Release that. Come over here down the bottom. All this stuff right here is just unnecessary in my opinion for this moment in time while I'm doing this. And then here, down here, it's just a footer that I just don't think is necessary. All right, how do I get rid of this? Oh, I get rid of it right here. There we go. And then up here, the top is a logo. Let me go ahead and delete that. It's got places where you can put your links in that. I don't think that's necessary for the purposes of this particular video because right now our main objective is just to create a high converting landing page to get people in front of your offer. I think I deleted too much. Let me just undo that. I'm going to keep that. It's just this top part up here, this image, this logo part. All right, got it done. All right, now we have a simple, plain and simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy landing page. Now, for the purposes here, I created, let's see, some ideas on what to do for your title. So I'm going to go ahead, say let's for instance, I'm offering a lead magnet, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my title is Get My Fun Ways to Supercharge Your Affiliate Reviews and Boost Your Commissions Today. And then that's pretty big. Okay, so let's play with this a little bit. It looks a little bit too overwhelming for this page. So let me go ahead and see if I can change the heading. So we've got different styles. We got different sizes of headings depending on how many words you have in your text. I'm just going to go with this one. This one looks a little bit more professional. And then I'm going to take this one, and then I'm going to take this and put it something really super simple, which, in my opinion, the best way for you to get folks to opt into something that you are giving away. And for this example, it's my first ebook, Get My 10 Fun Ways to Supercharge Your Affiliate Reviews and Boost Your Commissions free today. So take this out and replace it with this. Enter your email below to get access. Now I want to go ahead and take this and change the text a little bit, maybe bold it, make it look a little bit more professional, maybe a little bigger, go down to like 24. Okay. And then up here, you can change the font. You can make it look whatever style you want. You can change the color. Um, Cool color would probably be like red, like, you've got this color spectrum here. That's similar to what my book looks like. And you can also, you can change the fonts. Right now, these are the standard fonts, but you can make it something different. Um, whatever makes you makes it feel like it represents you. I don't know. I like the Roboto, so I'm gonna keep that. So, and I might just unbold that because I want this to be, well, yeah. So you can play around with that. So you just have some simple things you can play with and customize it to your own liking. Like I would like to put an exclamation point here, and we'll keep that like that. Now, this is my ebook, so I might want to put a copy of my cover page. So, in order for you to add any other elements, you just go over here on the sidebar and click on this plus sign and decide which one you want to add. And I'm going to just add an image and put that right there underneath the title. And it takes you to this space here, automatically defaults to here, but I uploaded a file. I uploaded my cover page of my book. So I'm going to use that. And that's super big. Um, I think that might be a little too big, too overwhelming. So I'm going to try to see if I can make it smaller. Yeah. Yeah. Make it a little more proportional to this entire landing page. And again, you can decide what you want to write here. If you want to keep the name and the email, if you want to leave out the name, that's fine too. My thing is I like to preview it. The litmus test is it going to look good here on a laptop, and then is it going to look good also on mobile? And so this is what it looks like on mobile. Okay. So you can still make some minor tweaks to that, but I'm going to go ahead and save and exit. And then the next step is to connect your domain, connect a place where you're going to be able to collect email addresses. So we're going to that next. And then you would name your template. So in this case, it'll be 10 fun ways, whatever you want. Subscription settings. I'll have to make another video about this, but you have to create a list that you want people to go on. And so I'll select this and then we'll go from there. When I get that other video uploaded to you, you also have an option to upload a favicon. And that's just a little image that you can upload, but I'm going to skip that right now. You also have the option to have a cookie consent banner, which I do not recommend. It's just another way to distract people, especially when you're trying to get people to come in. And if you decide later on to buy solo ads and this and that or something, you want to keep that off there. But if you have a website and you have lots of content and this and that, it's okay to have, a cookie sent banner. Analytics, we'll keep that as is. No need to do that. And then we'll just click continue. And there's my landing page name. Now we need to just decide on what the domain is, the name. Okay, so this is just for the purposes of this video, the name, and then you can just go, let's see, we'll get with GetResponse website, something small, and then you publish, and there you have it. You've got your landing page URL.